It's time to do it. I'm about to film a video and I need some USB cords. So I have my Anker USB-C cords here. These are USB-C to USB-A. Rev 2 power line plus. See right there, hopefully it comes up for you. Alright, so this is the Anker cables. I'm really happy with these. I use these a lot. Comes with a Velcro strap to hold them together. So USB-A to USB-C, and like I said, I use these a lot. But what I need to do now is hook this up to my camera here. So I have this battery here. It's USB-C battery, so I'm going to get this tripod lifted up here so it's a little bit closer to the camera. Right, so USB-A connection. Alright, so the GoPro here, I'm plugging in the USB-C into it. Let's see this Anker battery. Yep, the Anker battery is now powering the camera. Why do I do this? I do this because the GoPro battery is only good for about 35 to 40 minutes. So I want to make sure that I maximize my recording time, which I can record using this methodology almost indefinitely, but really to capacity. Six, 9, 12, 15, 18. Looking good. All right, so then how will